The smell of sheets that were hang drying in the fresh air and sunshine, there is really nothing better. Today I'm doing a bit of a reset routine. We had guests over the last couple of days. I'm in the guest room right now. I've just washed and hang dried these sheets. So I'm going to put the sheets on the bed, and then the duvet and extra pillowcases are hanging right now. But I'm just going to get ahead and put these sheets on now. Today I'm going to bring you guys along with me on just doing the routine around here, and also showing you guys some of the renovation plans we have upcoming. I showed you guys recently the bathroom renovation, finished bathroom, so if you haven't seen that yet, definitely go check out that video. I posted that 2 videos ago, and I'm looking forward to share with you guys what we're going to be working on next, because we have a lot of exciting projects coming up this year. Specifically, one of them that we're doing right now, which is the sleep out, the granny flat. When we bought this house, it had a building on the property, but separate from our house. And it is a space that needs a lot of work. Well, needed a lot of work. We're definitely getting closer to just decorating it, but we still have some painting to do and stuff like that. I don't think I've ever shown you guys the granny flat before, so I'm excited to bring you in there. It feels really good to have this guest room in a really good place where I feel really comfortable and happy with people staying here, because it has everything it needs now, and it's been a long time coming. I am also a very happy girl right now because the sun is shining. The weather has been lovely. When we first got back to New Zealand from the States, there was a lot of rain. It was a tropical storm. I was pretty bummed about that because we spent pretty much all of 2022 in winter, just due to when we visited the States, because we went to the States twice, and we pretty much skipped out on all of the nicest months. I always like misting the sheets with like a lavender spray, something really relaxing. This is the one that I've been using lately. It's just pure essential oils, but it's lavender, chamomile, and jojoba. I put these fresh hydrangeas that are growing all around the homestead right now in this vase, and this time around my hydrangeas have lasted for, it's been almost a week now, and usually my hydrangeas start to get wilty in a couple of days, and these are not even anywhere near getting wilty, and they've been in this vase for, this is probably day 6 now. I have a huge hack for you guys, and I had a realization because it makes sense. Hydrangeas need a lot of water. It's in the name. and the petals themselves actually soak up water. So what I did, and I'll show you guys exactly how I did it in an upcoming video. I'll show you the actual process of it visually. But what I did is I cut the hydrangeas and then I immediately put them in a bucket of water, and I just put them in the bucket so they were floating. So they were submerged about halfway. And I did that for about 30 minutes, 20 minutes to 30 minutes. And then I took the bottom leaves off because the leaves actually soak up a lot of water. So if you want a lot of water to just go to the petals, cut the leaves off, put it in a vase with a lot of water, and they will last so much longer. I posted this on my stories on Instagram, and a florist responded and was like, this is so true. I've seen it before, I've heard it from other people. My neighbor's mom mentioned it to me the other day, and it reminded me to give it a try. And so I did, and it's been confirmed. It is a true hack for hydrangeas. It made me very happy. I've seen, I think Oprah do this before in a video, and I kind of forgot about it, that I wanted to try it. And I was reminded the other day and was like, I have to try this out. And it has changed the game for my hydrangea bouquets that I pretty much do every single week. I was at a secondhand shop the other day, and I picked up this gorgeous, pretty big frame of a print of a Cezanne painting, and I just love the colors of it, and I love the abstract of it. And there's a rug in this hallway that it matches really beautifully with, and I'm very happy about this new little hallway art piece because this wall was totally bare and I was waiting to find something there. I thought about maybe a mirror or something like that, but I decided on this piece. I saw it and then I thought about it for like a week and a half, and then I went back and it was still there, so I was like, it's meant to be. I've been thinking about it nonstop, and I think it looks really nice in the hallway. I'm gonna need you to move, my friend. I need to change our sheets. Could you move for me? It's definitely time for us to change our sheets as well. I sort of neglected them while we were preparing for having visitors, so it is due time for us to change our sheets. Can I ask you to move, sir? I have to get up. Thank you.
If I ask you, don't hold back on me. Only better if you set it free.
Right now, we are in the laundry room. I'm throwing our sheets from our primary bedroom bed in here, and I figured since we're in here, I will show you guys this space. It is a relic of the past. It is probably the oldest room in the farmhouse. It's from the 1940s and has not been updated at all since then. It's actually been quite neglected. But I've spruced it up a little bit here and there without putting any like real money into it. Just I've organized it to kind of a space where I feel good about doing laundry in here, but we plan on renovating the entire space. So I'm going to show you guys the before right now, and then obviously I'll share with you guys when we do the renovation in this room. But as I said, the sleep out granny flat situation is going to be the first project. It's going to happen before the renovation here, so I'll still show you, because I figured it would be fun to show you guys the projects that we have coming up. As you guys can see, there's a big gaping hole in the wall here in the laundry room, and that's because we had to make that hole when we put in this high pressure water heater. I mentioned that we updated the water heater in my bathroom renovation that I shared recently, and so eventually this will be like a nice laundry, extra laundry situation. We have an idea. What we might do is knock out this wall, because on the other side of this wall you'll find the old kitchen. So we might do one big renovation where we knock out this wall, the kitchen expands so that we can do a kitchen island, and then it can be connected because there's actually a bathroom in here. So there's this laundry sink here, which is old and gross, but it works for now. And then there's this other kind of neglected bathroom in here. So once that bathroom is renovated, we'll be in a place where the kitchen, the laundry room, and the bathroom are kind of opened up, and it will make this bathroom way more accessible, especially when we have guests and stuff. They don't have to use the main bathroom. They can use this one by the laundry. And yeah, it's just really exciting to think about what this space can become. I don't know when it's going to happen. We're kind of hoping that it would happen this year, but if it doesn't happen this year, it will for sure happen next year. Since we're showing you upcoming projects, I figured I would show you the one that we're about to do and that we're working on right now actually, which is the granny flat sleep out Airbnb situation. So this little cottage is separated from the house. It has its own little garden area. It's right by the sheep grazing, the chicken coop. You're kind of in the heart of where all the animals are. There's a lot of work to still be done in this space, but we bought it with it all built, which was a huge plus for us, because having a place like this that family can stay when they come to New Zealand, also if we ever want to put it up on Airbnb, which is an idea that we might have, and it's a little farm stay. So we're going to get it to a place where we're really happy with. I'm excited to decorate it, but first and foremost, we're going to paint all of the walls. We're gonna work on the floors the best that we can. There is a bathroom here that was already here. The major thing we've done so far is the tile on the floor of the bathroom. The toilet was already here, the shower was already here, but there's obviously not a step to enter into the bathroom. Right now we're just using one of these tools that we've been using to paint and stuff, but we're going to create some sort of step into the bathroom. I need to clean this bathroom because one of our guests was using this bathroom that was just here, so it just needs to be cleaned, but it's a great space. And so this is an entire room here that's quite spacious. This building is actually bigger than my apartment that I had in LA. It was a 1-bedroom apartment, so it's pretty much the size of an apartment. There's a kitchenette here that we're just gonna kind of DIY update for now. Eventually, we will put a new kitchenette in here, but for now, we're gonna update the best that we can, add some shelves. We're gonna add like a little portable cooking situation. This is definitely a bit more of a farm stay, so it's a little bit more relaxed, but I'm excited to make it very cute in here. There's enough space in this room to add a couch, a dining room table, some more shelves for storage, and I just really love the arched door for the entrance. So it's got a little bit of charm to it. There's a little shelf at the top there that I'm gonna add tons of books and plants once it's painted and all that good stuff. And then you walk through here, and this is the bedroom. Right now we have a lot of storage in this bedroom, but as soon as we're ready to start painting, which is gonna be pretty soon, we will move this stuff out and actually unbox a lot of stuff, because there's a lot of stuff in these boxes that I'm going to be using for the granny flat, like pillows and sheets and dishes and things like that. That will be very useful. I am going to pot some of this cilantro that was store-bought. We asked if Alex's parents on their way over could pick up some cilantro, so they did, and the cool thing is that the cilantro still has its root, so whenever you get store-bought veggies or herbs, just know if you ever see the root down here, you can replant them, and it's pretty much the gift that keeps on giving. Our cilantro and parsley plants died when we were in the States. They can be pretty hard to take care of. Herbs need a lot of water and a lot of care and attention, and I've come to realize that a lot of the times cilantro and parsley and even basil do better in pots. So I'm gonna put these ones in a pot just because it's been extra sunny out, and I can keep these herbs somewhat in the shade. My trowel broke right here. This is a plastic trowel. That is why I always recommend stainless steel garden supplies, because They last so much better. I have a stainless steel around here somewhere, but my plastic one is still working for this, but if I had any other thing to do with more thick or intense soil, it would probably crack. Kind of wild, these little guys.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love,
I'm in my little cocoon by the creek. This is my favorite little spot right now. You see the horses? Hi! Hello! Horses have come over to say hello. We have new neighbor horses.
stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that.